I see a lot of patients with chronic knee pain, just issues going on with their knees, and they're very stiff. And watch this video, guys. I'm going to show you guys how to improve your knee range of motion so it's easier to live your life and walk. My name is Dr. Jonas Tekeste. I'm a physical therapist. I've seen thousands of patients with knee issues, and I'm here to show you guys 3 simple exercises that'll improve your knees. A lot of the times we don't have the range of motion to do what we need to do, and that can cause aches, pain, soreness, everything like that. And the first exercise is to improve your knee range of motion. And it's very simple to improve it. You essentially just want to put your foot on a towel like this, and I'm just going to slide it. Boom, just like that. I'm just going to slide it, hold it for about 5 seconds, and then bring it forward. I'm going to turn it aside. So I'm literally just sliding my foot back forward, and I place a towel there to decrease the friction on the ground so it can slide easier. And if that's a little bit of a challenge, I can even take my hand and place it around my pant leg to give it a little bit of assistance. Pulling back like that, just holding it for about 5 seconds. I'm not cranking on it too hard, and you don't want to crank on your range of motion too hard, because then you'll feel pain and you'll guard up and become more tense. You just want to ease into it where you can tolerate it. Maybe you can stop like a little bit before the point of pain. Another way to improve that is you can even use your other foot to give it a little bit of assistance, just kind of active assisted range of motion. Then you'll bring it forward, and then we'll go back, boom, just like that. Simple enough. Another stretch that most people don't know is for the hamstring muscle, or the muscles behind the knee. So for this stretch, you can do it from sitting in a chair. I'm just going to turn so you guys can see my side. This stretch is for this leg, my left leg. Essentially, I'm going to extend it to a comfortable depth. I'm going to keep my back straight, and I'm going to hinge forward at the hips. In doing this, you should feel a stretch all along the left leg, right behind it. And I just keep kind of my foot in a neutral position. If you bring your toes back, you'll feel more of a stretch at your calf. You might feel some nerve tingling. And you really don't want to go into the nerve tingling portion. You just want to hold this for about 5 to 10 seconds. And if you breathe out, I can get the body to relax more, just like that. Because a lot of the times with knee issues, sometimes we can't extend our knee as much, and that makes it tougher to walk, because when you're walking, there's a point where it's very helpful to have the full knee extension. Sometimes your hamstring muscle over here might be a little stiff or tight as well. So you're just keeping and the trick is to really keep your back straight, keep all that tension, and then you're hinging at your hips, bending at your hips, breathing out. Lastly, this next stretch is actually not for your knee, it's for your ankle. And because ankle stiffness or calf tightness can really affect your walking, because literally it's always good to focus on the joints above and below the joint that's an issue. So if your knee has a problem, you always want to scream at the hip and at the ankle. But a lot of patients I see, they do have ankle tightness, ankle stiffness. And one stretch you can do from a chair is if you place a towel or even a belt will work around your toes, and you just pull back just like that. And you should feel a great stretch at the ankle. I feel a great stretch at my calf. And you can even turn the towel a little bit to the side, and you can do that in both directions just to get all planes of motion. Boom. And this actually feels very good. So that's why I'm taking my time over here. But those are 3 simple exercises that you can do all from a chair. We talked about the heel slide where you bend your knee, the hamstring stretch where you extend your knee, and the ankle/calf stretch, guys. I hope this video was helpful for all your knee pain. Like and subscribe if you like this, and have a great day. Improve your function. You guys are great.